First thing tonight, me have to declare it. Jaja not tell lie. He never fail ya. Listen now. God nah man, him nah go change. Him word firm like mountain range. Them man talk plenty and twist up truth, but my God always come true. He say what he mean and he mean what him say. Promise still standing even from yesterday. Me not fear no darkness or fight. Me trust in the one who speak light. Our God is not a man that he should lie. He know they change like we where they try. If he talk and me go do Jaja word no they fail no scam. Oh, oh, he know they lie. No, no, a true talk make you know.
Quand Dieu n'est pas un homme pour mentir, chaque promesse il va accomplir. Il parle et la chose se fait. Sa parole est sûre, ne doute jamais. So if him say healing, me receive. If him say breakthrough, me believe. Me hold on tight to the prophecy, cause me know say him always there for me.
God is not a man that he should lie. He know they change like we where they try. If he talk he go do Jaja word no they fail no scam. Oh, he know they lie. No, no, not true talk make you know. And God no be man where they deceive. Him no go promise then just leave. Nah real king, nah real father. Him truth they sharp like the razor. God nah man no way. Him no be lie, me just have to pray. From Kingston to Lagos me testify. Jah word strong now so me survive. Oh, hey, yeah.
Him never fail me yet, me not doubt.
The English truth still echoes loud.